Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you been struggling to get your eyebrows, like to draw a perfect eyebrow, or you have been seeing how to draw it but you have not actually gotten a detailed tutorial, like step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a better eyebrow? If you are this person, don't go anywhere and keep on watching this video, because this video is very detailed and it's going to guide you like holding your hands to draw that eyebrow. And also, don't forget, after watching this video, if you learned something, kindly share this video, subscribe. Thank you. So guys, here is the video. First of all, I started by priming her eyebrow by using my brow gel and my setting powder to set that hair in place. Then I sharpened my Davis eye pencil, and here I'm using the color 018 for her eyebrow. Okay, I'm starting off by creating a very soft strokes, okay, to give that natural eyebrow look. That's the way I like to draw my eyebrow. And this is me filling up the eyebrow. Sorry, I had to fast forward this video because it was very long and I don't want it to bore you guys. Okay, so this is me filling up our eyebrow after outlining the shape. And I'm going now to sharpen that eye pencil, because the secret to getting a very sharp and neat eyebrow is using a sharp eye pencil. Guys, if your pencil is not sharp enough, if you have used it and it's blunt, resharp it again. Keep on resharpening it. You must use that sharp tip eye pencil. That's what is going to give you that flawless and clean eyebrow. So this is me now going with my FBH concealer palette, and I'm going to be using 2 shades lighter than her skin tone. This is because I'm going to use this on just her brow bone. Yes, the brow bone is that place that is, yeah, you see that place I'm using. Yes, I'm going to use that 2 shades lighter concealer on that place only. Then the beginning of her eyebrow, I'm going to be using a darker shade close to her nose contour color. I don't know if it makes sense to you, but guys, I love this pencil. This pencil, I got it from offline vendor. Yes, it's a very nice flat brush, and the pencil also, I got that brush. I'm going to drop the description of that brush in the description box. It's a very flat brush. It gives me that detailed, defined eyebrow that I'm looking for. So this is me using a darker shade, like I said earlier, to use at the beginning of her eyebrow. And this brush is from Coastal Scent. Okay, it's a blending brush, and I like it because the hairs are soft and is small, so it can easily go in there. You can see I'm blending out the concealer out under her eyebrow. Okay, I know you'll be wondering, why is Susie doing her eyebrow last? I don't know, but you can do your own eyebrow first. You can do it before your foundation. But me, I love doing my eyebrow after I've done my eyeshadow. That is why I like to do my eyebrow. It gives me that defined look. Guys, can you see this eyebrow? Like, see how natural and clean it's looking. Okay, so this is me now trying to, sorry, I fixed her lashes off camera. I thought I was recording. I didn't know that my phone was not on record. I'm so sorry. So this is me using my Elizabeth Helen eyeliner. I've had this eyeliner for God knows when, and it's giving me what I want because of that brush. Is very precise. If you don't have this one, you can use any eyeliner of your choice, but make sure that the brush tip is as sharp and precise as this one that I'm using. Okay, so I had to draw the outer part of her eye backwards so that I won't have any creases. I needed a very smooth lining. When doing this, your hands have to be steady. Okay, so I am now going in with my V Beauty powder palette in the shade Bianca, as you can see, with my powder brush from Zekiel Cosmetics, and I'm blending out the setting powder. You know, the video before this one, I've done all this. I'm going to drop all the videos before this stage, okay, so that you can go back and watch them so you understand. All right, so this is me blending out her face using that Bianca powder shade to make sure that there's no harsh line, and the makeup and the powder, everything is blending. The key to makeup artistry is blending. You have to blend. Blending is key in makeup artistry. So this is me blending those setting powder that I used to set and the reverse contour. This is me blending them out. So guys, I don't know if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will answer you and reply you as soon as possible. Like I said before, the video before I got to this stage is in the description box. I'll drop all the links starting from her skin prep to her foundation and concealer, eyeshadow to this point. Okay, for the eyelash, I'm going to drop a video I've done before on how to fix your lashes by yourself. So this is me using this powder blush from Glam Guest Night Out. This is from V Beauty also, and using my Coastal Scent brush, my blush brush, to apply that blush. And I used a peach color because of she's light in complexion. Okay, I used her that color to apply her blush. So when I was applying this blush, I noticed that I don't like my blush to be that visible. I like it soft and it's there, but it's not that, it's not that too much. I don't know if it makes sense. So I had to go in with my powder brush, using the remnants of the powder in that brush to further blend the blush out. To further blend it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.